Needing an organ transplant is a matter of life and death. If you receive it, you live. If you don't receive it, you die. So when we started research, we realized that there are new forms of transplants which are designed to increase number of patients who receive kidney transplantation. And these were called kidney exchanges at the time. This was most an experimental idea. In the old days, out of 100 patient donor pairs, about 50 of them would be able to receive a transplant directly from their own donors. And the other 50 would be going through constant dialysis. And going through dialysis is not a fun task, I should tell you. But through the kidney exchanges, at least right now, this number has increased to 55. And our thinking is that this number can go up to 70 just using the current paradigms. And on top of that, if we can include compatible pairs into the system, then we can increase this number up to 90.
I think there is a very strong synergy between Boston College principle of man and woman for others and my research program, where the focus is solving problems of social importance.
Our aim was to look at exchanges from that angle to begin with. Eventually, we happened to realize that the numbers are so limited because economic principles were not really utilized. For example, if you create a large database and optimize over this database, you can actually simultaneously match many patients with compatible donors.
When we actually observe that including three-way exchanges to two-way exchanges will dramatically increase the number of patients that can be saved. That was contrary to the view of the transplantation community at the time. In a direct exchange, say three-way exchange, all the operations has to be conducted simultaneously. However, there is a second kind of exchange through chains, where an exchange starts with a Good Samaritan donor or non-directed donor. And what we do is we use the gift of the Good Samaritan donor to start a chain. The Good Samaritan donor donates to an incompatible pair. The donor of that pair then donates to another incompatible pair, and so on and so forth.
These ideas we have come up with can easily be implemented using a computer program and be sent to hospitals for their use.
The framework that we develop and the tools that we developed are used all around the US, as well as in several other countries, including in England, in Australia, and so on and so forth. So kidney exchange, in part because the gains are so clear and everybody benefits from these innovations, many different communities are very interested in embracing these ideas.